Intermittent fasting, transform your health. Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive deep into one of the most talked about health trends that's sweeping the globe. Intermittent fasting isn't just a fad, it's a powerful tool that could revolutionize your health and well-being. Imagine feeling more energized, shedding those stubborn pounds, and boosting your brain power, all without complicated diets or exhausting workouts. Sounds amazing, right? Well, you're in the right place, because we're about to uncover the incredible benefits of intermittent fasting and how it can change your life. But before we jump into the science and the specifics, let's paint a picture. Imagine waking up every day feeling lighter, more focused, and ready to conquer whatever comes your way. Picture yourself with a clear mind, sharper memory, and a body that feels younger and more vibrant. Intrigued? You should be. Intermittent fasting isn't just another health trend. It's a game changer. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to harness its power for yourself. All right, let's dive in. First, what exactly is intermittent fasting? It's not about what you eat, but when you eat. By cycling between periods of eating and fasting, you give your body the chance to burn fat more effectively, regulate hormones, and even improve your metabolism. There are several methods to choose from, like the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, or the 5-2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days and reduce calorie intake for 2. But before we dive into the benefits, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and help us reach our goal of 100 subscribers. Your support means the world to us and allows us to keep bringing you valuable content. Weight loss and fat loss. Let's start with one of the most exciting benefits: weight loss and fat loss. When you fast, your insulin levels drop, which facilitates fat burning. During the fasting period, your body uses stored fat for energy, leading to weight loss. Imagine losing weight without the hassle of calorie counting or restrictive diets. With intermittent fasting, you're simply allowing your body to naturally burn fat. And the best part? It's sustainable and fits into any lifestyle. By incorporating intermittent fasting, you're making a long-term commitment to a healthier, leaner you. Consistent fasting can help target those stubborn fat areas, giving you a more toned and defined physique over time. 2. Improved metabolic health. Next, let's talk about metabolic health. Intermittent fasting can significantly improve your insulin sensitivity, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. This means it can lower your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Studies have shown that fasting reduces inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are key players in chronic diseases. So, by incorporating intermittent fasting, you're not just improving your metabolism, but also enhancing your overall health. Improved metabolic health leads to better energy levels throughout the day, reducing the risk of energy crashes and making you feel more vibrant and active. With a more stable metabolism, your body can efficiently process nutrients, leading to sustained energy and vitality. 3. Enhanced brain function. Now on to brain health. Did you know intermittent fasting can boost your brain power? It increases the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports neuron growth and function. Higher levels of BDNF are associated with improved memory, learning, and cognitive function. Plus, fasting can help protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Imagine a sharper mind and better mental clarity. Fasting can help you achieve that. By promoting neurogenesis, intermittent fasting helps maintain brain health as you age, enhancing your cognitive abilities and potentially delaying the onset of cognitive decline. This means you can enjoy a sharper mind and improved mental clarity for years to come. 4. Longevity and anti-aging. Intermittent fasting also promotes longevity and anti-aging. When you fast, your body initiates a process called autophagy, which means self-eating. This process helps remove damaged cells and regenerate new ones, keeping your body in optimal condition. Autophagy is like a natural detox, rejuvenating your cells and potentially extending your lifespan. Who doesn't want to feel younger and more vibrant? By enhancing cellular repair and regeneration, intermittent fasting contributes to a youthful appearance and vitality. Regular fasting can help you maintain healthy skin, reduce the signs of aging, and improve your overall longevity, allowing you to enjoy life to the fullest. 5. Heart health. Let's discuss heart health. Intermittent fasting can positively impact your cholesterol levels, lower your blood pressure, and reduce inflammation, all of which contribute to a healthier heart. With heart disease being a leading cause of death globally, incorporating intermittent fasting could be a proactive step towards protecting your heart and enhancing your cardiovascular health. By promoting heart health, intermittent fasting helps reduce the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular diseases. Regular fasting can lead to improved arterial health, better circulation, and overall enhanced cardiovascular function, allowing you to maintain a strong and healthy heart. 6. Simplified Lifestyle. One of the underrated benefits of intermittent fasting is a simplified lifestyle. By reducing the number of meals you eat, you also reduce the time spent planning, cooking, and cleaning. This simplicity can make it easier to stick to and maintain a healthy diet. Plus, having a set eating window can help you develop a more structured routine, contributing to overall better health habits. By simplifying your eating routine, intermittent fasting helps reduce stress and decision fatigue related to meal planning and preparation. This allows you to focus on other important aspects of your life, creating a more balanced and harmonious lifestyle. 7. Improved hormone function. Intermittent fasting can significantly impact your hormone levels. For example, it can increase the production of growth hormone, which is crucial for fat burning and muscle gain. It also helps regulate levels of ghrelin, the hormone that makes you feel hungry, making it easier to control your appetite and avoid overeating. By enhancing hormone function, intermittent fasting supports optimal health and wellness. Improved hormone regulation leads to better mood stability, increased energy levels, and a more balanced appetite, making it easier to maintain a healthy lifestyle and achieve your fitness goals. 8. Cellular repair and regeneration. During fasting, your cells initiate important repair processes. This includes autophagy, where cells remove old and dysfunctional proteins and other cellular debris. This cellular cleaning helps improve overall cell function, potentially reducing the risk of diseases and promoting longevity. By supporting cellular repair and regeneration, intermittent fasting helps maintain the health and vitality of your body at a cellular level. Regular fasting can enhance the body's natural ability to heal and regenerate, promoting long-term health and well-being. 9. Reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to many serious health conditions. Intermittent fasting can help reduce inflammation by lowering oxidative stress and improving overall cellular health. Reduced inflammation can lead to improved joint health, better digestion, and a lower risk of chronic diseases. By reducing inflammation, intermittent fasting supports overall health and wellness. Lower inflammation levels can lead to improved physical comfort, better immune function, and a reduced risk of chronic inflammatory diseases, helping you maintain a healthier and more active lifestyle. 10. Better digestive health. Intermittent fasting gives your digestive system a much-needed break, allowing it to rest and repair. This can lead to improved digestion and nutrient absorption. Many people report less bloating, better bowel regularity, and an overall sense of digestive comfort. By supporting digestive health, intermittent fasting helps improve your body's ability to process and absorb nutrients. Improved digestive function can lead to better energy levels, enhanced immune function, and an overall sense of well-being, making it easier to maintain a healthy lifestyle. 11. Enhanced detoxification. Fasting can enhance the body's natural detoxification processes. By giving your liver and other organs time to rest, they can function more efficiently, removing toxins and waste products from your body. This can lead to clearer skin, better energy levels, and overall improved health. By supporting detoxification, intermittent fasting helps maintain the health and vitality of your body. Regular fasting can lead to improved skin health, better energy levels, and enhanced overall wellness, allowing you to feel and look your best. 12. Increased physical endurance. Intermittent fasting can improve physical endurance. Fasting can enhance mitochondrial function and increase the body's ability to generate energy from stored fat. This can lead to better performance in physical activities and faster recovery times after exercise. By enhancing physical endurance, intermittent fasting supports optimal athletic performance and overall fitness. Improved mitochondrial function leads to better energy production, allowing you to perform at your best in physical activities and recover more quickly after exercise. Let's quickly recap what we've covered. Intermittent fasting can help you lose weight, improve metabolic health, enhance brain function, promote longevity, boost heart health, simplify your lifestyle, improve hormone function, aid in cellular repair, reduce inflammation, improve digestive health, enhance detoxification, and increase physical endurance. It's a simple, sustainable way to transform your health and well-being. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and please make sure to subscribe to help us reach our goal of 100 subscribers. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and most importantly, stay healthy. See you next time.